Hello, my giggly little stars. Today I'm drawing Bluey playing with George Pig. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a sweet story filled with fun, friendship, and laughter. But before the story begins, press the like button with your tiny hoof so Bluey and George can giggle even louder. The morning sky glows pink. The birds chirp softly outside. Bluey wakes up with a smile, ready for another day of play. Bingo peeks from her bed and asks, "What game will we play today?" Bluey grins brightly. "Let's build a toy city." Just then, a gentle knock comes from the door. Knock, knock. Dad opens it and says, "We have a special guest today." Bluey tilts her head curiously. "Who is it, Dad?" From behind the door comes a small voice. "Oink! Hello, I'm George Pig." Bingo gasps with excitement. "George Pig from Peppa's World." Bluey claps her paws and cheers. "Yay! Welcome, George." George smiles shyly, holding his favorite dinosaur toy. "Rawr," he says proudly. Dad laughs warmly. "Oh wow, a dinosaur." Bluey giggles. "You can show it to Bingo. She loves dinos too." Bingo nods eagerly. "Let's make a dinosaur park for him." They all gather their blocks and toys, building towers and bridges together. George places his green dinosaur in the middle and says, "This is Dino Land." Bluey adds trees made from paper rolls. "Here's the jungle for your dino." Bingo adds toy cars around it. "And here's the road for the visitors." Can you imagine Dino Land too? Try to roar like a dinosaur. R-doubler. Mom comes in with snacks and juice. "What are my little builders up to?" she asks. Bluey smiles proudly. "We're helping George build Dino Land." George looks up and says, "It's the biggest park ever." Mom claps happily. "Wonderful teamwork, everyone." Dad chuckles. "I'll be the Dino Guard." He puts on a silly hat and roars, "Stay away from the snacks, little dinos." Everyone bursts out laughing. After their snack, Bluey says, "Let's make the dinos dance." Bingo grabs some music. "Dance time," she shouts. George wiggles his toy happily. "My dinosaur likes to boogie." Bluey giggles and twirls. "Let's dance like dinosaurs too." They stomp around the room, waving their arms like dino tails. "Stomp, stomp," shouts Bingo. "Rawr, rawr," yells George. "Can you dance like a dinosaur too? Stomp your feet and roar." Suddenly, George's toy slips under the table. "Oh no!" he cries softly. Bluey crawls down and grabs it. "Got it," she says proudly, handing it back. George smiles. "Thank you, Bluey." Bingo pats his shoulder gently. "Don't worry, we're a team." Mum smiles warmly from the couch. That's what friendship is all about. As the day goes on, they finish building Dino Land, bigger and brighter than ever. Bluey places a toy flag on top. "Mission complete," she says proudly. George looks at his dinosaur and whispers, "You're the king of Dino Land." Dad claps his hands. "Let's take a victory picture." Everyone poses together, smiling wide. When the sun begins to set, the room glows golden. Mum says softly, "It's almost bedtime, little ones." George hugs his dinosaur and smiles. "I had the best day ever." Bluey nods with joy. "Me too, George." Bingo giggles. "Come back again and bring your dino." George waves happily. "Oink, I will." So remember, little dreamers, when you share your toys and play with care, friendship grows brighter, like sunshine everywhere.